good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Hey, friend. I've always wanted to do that on an introduction, but anyway. Hello, welcome to Juicebox. We are in Juicebox headquarters, and I just wanted to come on and do a really quick video because um, as you begin your fast or your detox or cleanse or your detox, whatever verbiage you are using, I just want you to be aware of some of the things that are prevalent when you're considering doing a cleanse or a detox. So we're going to just explain the differences between a cleanse and a detox. And so you may hear me use some words interchangeably, preferably a juice equals a cleanse, a smoothie equals a detox. But like I said, I may use the words interchangeably. So the biggest question that we get here at Juicebox when people are, well, before we were in store, but even online or whatever, a lot of question. The biggest question is, what's the difference between a cleanse and a detox? And so the short answer is, a cleanse is all juices. A detox is smoothies, right? And a detox can still be a combination of a cleanse and a detox can be a combination of a juice and smoothies when you order, but for the most part, that is the difference. So, what is a cleanse? A cleanse is we are juicing the fruits, veggies, whatever the foods are that are going into your drinks. So your fiber is going in one direction, and your water or the volume content, the liquid content, is going into the juice funnel, and so the fiber is separated. So that's the biggest difference. Juice has no fiber in it. How does that affect your body? When you are drinking a juice, you are allowing the drink to go right into your bloodstream, right? It doesn't have to be digested first through your stomach, then your colon and small. It doesn't have to go through that process. It goes right into your bloodstream, and then it gets the nutrients like pow, bang, boom, done, right? And so that's what a juice does. And so what I like about juicing and incorporating juices into your daily life is it allows your digestion to take a break, which is huge, because one of the problems that we have in our society, as far as the way that we are eating constantly, our body doesn't get a chance to take a break. And so, and when I say take a break, it's a break from digesting. Your body is your colon, your stomach, you're constantly digesting. Therefore, your body cannot go to other areas to work properly because it's always in a state of digestion. So when you're on a juice fast, you are going to give yourself a break. You are absolutely cutting your calories. So this is where you have the weight loss, water weight, people, whatever people are calling it, whatever it is, that is what you're having. And the same can happen in a detox, because you're still going to be cutting your calorie count, but the juicing, the cleansing is just more drastic, because you are giving your digestion a break, allowing your body to do the things that it does. So that is that. Let me just see. No fiber, we talked about that. So the standard American diet, which is SAD, that's what the acronym is for. So we talked about all of that and the effects on your body. So that's why cleansing is much different. So although people may be making smoothies in their blender and they're saying, oh, I'm on a juice fast, you're not on a juice fast, because a juicer is separating the juice from the fiber. So if you have that, then you are juicing. So here are some signs. Again, if you're here because you're considering doing a fast, here's some signs that your body will be telling you that you are in need of a cleanse, right? For women, you may have heavy menstrual cycle. You may have heavy PMSing, where you are constant headaches, migraines, fatigue, lower back pain, all the things that go into your cycle coming on. And it's like times 10. That could be that your body needs to go on a cleanse, right? And come away from some of the foods that are causing your body to react in that way. Headaches and migraines constantly, whether your period is on or not, you are dealing with headaches and migraines constantly, because you may even be eating foods that you're allergic to that's causing you to have these effects on your body. So in that frame, you may need to have a cleanse, right? Sugar and salt cravings, another indicator that you are in need of a cleanse. Some of the physical, I mean, that's physical too, but like some of the physical things that could be going on in your body, you could have joint pain, like your knees, elbows, ankles, wrists, within your joints of your fingers, constant fatigue, and bloating. So if any of that sounds familiar to you, then, and you want to, and you're dating juice box, then come on over and you want to look at the cleanses in this vein. Now, like I said, you can do both cleanse and detox. You can, in your ordering process, you will be able to, and if you've already ordered, you probably got both juices and smoothies, which is perfectly fine. Okay, so you don't have to send it back, or tell me, call us and say, hey, I got the wrong thing. No, but this is what I'm telling you, just knowing what the difference is between the cleanse and the detox. So the detox is the cleaner, right? Like I said before, you are going to be cutting your calories. So therefore, if you're cutting your calories, you're gonna, you're gonna start losing weight. You're gonna start feeling a difference. You're gonna start having detox symptoms. You're gonna have detox symptoms either way, cleanse or detox. But in the detox, you have the fiber, so it fills you up more. So one of the things when we were open in store and people would come in and ask, why they were new, they didn't know anything about they didn't know anything about. They would ask me, like, what should I get? What's really good? Blah, blah, blah. Well, one of the first questions I asked was, are you hungry? If you were hungry, then you get a smoothie, because the fiber is still there and it's going to fill you up. If you were not hungry, you were just here to kind of see what we were hitting for, or maybe you just had lunch or you're planning to have dinner, have a juice. So same with, the detoxing, is giving your digestion a break, but in a different way. You are still going to go through digestion, right? It's going to go through your stomach, going to go through your colon. You may even have little bits and pieces and you're kind of chewing a little bit. So that whole thing is happening in the smoothie. And so as a result of that, the fiber, so you're going to get your colon cleansed, you're going to get your small intestines cleansed. So that is where the difference that's the biggest difference between the juice and the smoothie, between a cleanse and a detox, right? So here's some things that will be indicators that you need a detox more so than a cleanse, right? And that would be constipation, sugar craving, same as with the cleansing, loss of concentration, trouble sleeping. So those, again, it's a host of things that you could be going through that's going to tell you that you are in dire need for a juice cleanse or a smoothie detox. But that is the difference of the two. I just wanted to answer those questions. There's more information in the info below. And I hope it was very helpful for you, and I hope you found value in everything that I had to share. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment, and I will try to answer those questions. We also have a frequently asked questions page on our website, which will be linked down below, and so that may be able to ask even more questions, not just about cleansing and detoxes, but Juicebox 215 in general, and how we operate and things. So feel free, and again, thank you guys, and I will see you in the next video.